Free ChatGPT just went unlimited. One company is quietly running on a single customer, and Hurricane model just got a full day faster. It's August 7th. 6 AI updates you need to know. So let's get into it. Update number 1. ChatGPT goes unlimited. First up, OpenAI just killed the message cap. Free users on ChatGPT now get unlimited text chat. No more you have hit your limit. You come back in 3 hours, and that way, free users get access to the new think button for when a question actually need some reasoning, not just quick reply. Right now, if you are on paid plan, you are not left out. You get a thinking slider, so you control how much uh, the model reasons before it answers, plus access to a more assertive model that's actually willing to push back on you instead just agreeing with every day you say, right? This is a big deal for anyone using ChatGPT as a daily tool, students, freelancers, small business owners, because the free tier just become a lot more usable, right? Okay. Update number 2. Hurricanes uh, day sooner, right? Second update is until now, forecasting a hurricane needed two separate AI models, one to predict the track where it's going, and one to predict the intensity, how strong it'll get. Running two models mean more delay. DeepMind has now merged both into a single system. That means forecasters get a full extra day of warning time. And this isn't just a lab claim. The model uh, already currently predicted the landfall and hurricane Melissa, right? The best part, the code is now public, so researchers and weather agencies around the world can actually build on top of it, right? Okay. Update number 3. uh, a number that might surprise you. Around 70% of Microsoft's entire AI revenue trace back to a single customer, and according to Fillings, that customer is OpenAI, mostly renting compute power to train and run its model. Uh, so when you hear headlines about Microsoft's AI business booming, a huge chunk of that growing is really just one company's cloud bill, which means Microsoft's AI story is a lot more tied to OpenAI's success than most people realize, right? Okay, update number 4. uh, if you actually want to learn AI properly, MIT just made it easier. They have released 13 full courses covering AI basics, machine learning, computer visions, and core algorithms, right? And here's the best part: most of them are completely free to take. If you've been looking for a structural way to actually understand AI instead uh, of just watching random reels about it, this is worth for bookmarking, right? Okay. Fifth is a rare moment of cooperation in AI. Amazon, Cursor, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Versal have all agreed on one shared plugin standard. What that means practically, a developer can build a plugin once and it'll work across all 5 platforms instead of needing 5 different versions. For developers, this is a big time saver for the industry. It's sign that even competitor know fragmentations slow everyone for down, right? Okay, sixth and last update. And finally, a story that's less about AI and more about a warning for AI. 6 years of data from a Stanford course looked at what just 10 minutes with a human tutor does to student completion rate, and the number are striking, right? Students who got that human check in were far more likely to actually finish the course. As AI tutor and AI teaching tool become more common, this is a reminder few minutes of real human connections can perform hours of automation, like that. Something worth keeping in mind, and everyone rushed to automate education, right? Okay, that's your today's AI updates of 7th August. And if we summarize this video, unlimited ChatGPT, smarter hurricane forecast, and Microsoft's one customer problem, free MIT courses, one plugin standard, and a lesson on why humans still matter, right? If you like this video, if you learn something from this video, if you uh, feel this video is valuable for you, so make sure please subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon. And also tell me in the comment section that which AI updates you like most or surprise most. We will meet you in the next video. And if you want to know what is AI actually, and if you still updated on daily basis on AI, so we posted daily AI updates on this channel. So please subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Thank you.